This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by tuning to standard E, and in tune low E reveals mistakes quickly. Position your thumb behind the neck, roughly opposite the index finger, and lay the index down as a full bar across the first fret. Then place your middle on the second fret of the G string, while the ring and pinky press the third fret of the N D strings. Keep your wrist slightly rotated so your index can press all 6 strings evenly without collapsing the arch. Once you have the basic shape, focus on pressure and angle. Rotate your wrist so the index uses its bony edge to bar. This increases leverage and reduces required force. Press evenly across all 6 strings, then roll the index fractionally toward the low E to catch bass notes cleaner. Pluck strings individually to find buzzing, lift and reset ring or pinky if one string dies. Repeat slowly, and make small adjustments rather than big. Now strum the full chord confidently and listen for clarity from string 1 to 6. Weak notes tell you where to adjust. Practice transitioning into and out of F from common chords. Do 8-bar loops slowly, speeding up only when clean. Once you can hold it for several beats, build stamina by repeating short bursts. If you still hear buzzing, reposition the index slightly closer to the fret wire, increase wrist rotation, or redistribute pressure. Doing that usually fixes buzzy or muted strings quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.